Hey friends!
Hey everyone!
Thank you so much for tuning in to Cook with April on Tasty Tuesday. So today we are gonna make funnel cake. I made one like 8 years ago, but this is like a less blurry version of it since you know camera quality has changed a little bit. So let's get started. All right, you guys, I know you're excited. I know you just wanna fast forward to the part where you eat this, but we gotta make it first, okay? So here are the ingredients for the strawberry sauce and the funnel cake. So we'll start out with the funnel cake ingredients. Right over here we have some salt, we have baking soda, oil, a whole lot of oil for deep frying this funnel cake. This is powdered sugar. It's optional, but honestly I don't think it's optional. Like if you're friends with me, you're gonna get yourself some powdered sugar, okay? And then we're gonna need a bowl with 2 cups of flour. We're gonna sift that later, but yeah, you're gonna need a sifter and a bowl. And then we're gonna need eggs. These are 2 eggs and milk, and those are the ingredients for the funnel cake. So for the strawberry sauce, we're gonna need a pound of strawberries. That's about 16 ounces. I decided to go for frozen. One, because I know that it's a pound, because I don't know how to be measuring like that. And it said a pound. I defrosted it in the microwave, but you don't have to completely defrost it because you're going to put it in the saucepan and you're going to boil it and simmer for like 20-30 minutes. And then granulated white sugar and cornstarch. I would say it's optional, but if you want to thicken it, cornstarch helps, and some lemon juice. All right, friends, so we have a saucepan. We're going to place those 16 ounces or 1 pound of strawberries right there. And we're gonna put that to a high heat. We want it to eventually boil. And so here I am. So this is what I do because I'm lazy, okay? You could slice your strawberries or you could mash it. So that's what I want to do. I just want to mash it. You could have done this in the beginning, but I just want to just do it right now. Just a little bit of mashing. I'll do that later too. Or you could even put it through a blender to get all of that mix beforehand or even after, you know, especially when you have leftovers. So then we're gonna add sugar, mix that right in, friends, like that. Add that lemon juice. And we're gonna boil this until, we're gonna heat this up until it completely boils, and then we're gonna simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. And I'm gonna add the cornstarch in a little bit, not right now, but the cornstarch I add later to thicken it up. So now let's go work on the funnel cake, you guys. You guys, make sure that you go ahead and heat up your oil into kind of like a deep pan. That's the first thing you guys need to do before you even work on the batter. So now we have 2 cups of flour in here. We have the salt, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking powder, and we're gonna sift that. Oh my gosh, if I had Liam here, he would totally help me right now. He loves sifting. So now we're gonna crack 2 eggs and add the milk into the large bowl. What you know about this one-handed situation? Still got it, boo. You guys, by the way, we've been missing from the baking channel because we've been traveling every month, sometimes 3 times a month. And your girl could not handle doing it all. Like, I really couldn't. So we're mixing the eggs. And then on top of that, I've been baking stuff, and everything that I've been like playing with and baking has been jacked up. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't have it anymore. What happened to Miss Betty Crocker up in here? Like, she's not baking right? And then I was telling Joseph, I was like, I think the oven temp is off. And he's like, well, if you think it's off, if you think it's like a little lower, just like if it's heating up things and burning, just do it a little, like just slightly less. I tried that and I still was a little Miss Betty Crocker. Like all my cookies were getting all flat and crispy and burnt. Tell me why my kids still liked it, but the presentation was like beyond not edible, you know what I mean? So let me add the flour while I continue chatting with you guys. So finally we got an oven guy to check the oven, and we realized, dude, it was broken. Like, what happened, honey? Tell us all about it. It was missing a valve or something.
Okay, let me come onto the frame while we're having this conversation. So what happened was... What happened was there's a gas valve that connects the thermostat inside the oven to tell it. So when you turn the dial and say you want it at 325 or whatever, that tells it gets a reading from the thermometer basically, in the oven, and it's busted basically. So we're having to order the part, and the guy's gonna have to come back out and everything. So yeah, that's why. See you guys later.
Yeah. So in the meantime, you guys saw that I added all the flour, but I did it gradually. You can use a hand mixer to make it easier, but y'all, I've been working out. These arms is strong now. Okay, just a little bit. Because before it was like, I was sweating, I was busting a sweat, and now I'm like.
Wow.
You know what you know about Queen Bee Fitness. Y'all better watch my best friend. Shoot, eat this funnel cake, and then when you done eating, work out. Okay, I'm so passionate about this. Okay, so the consistency is great. Here's the thing, if you can't put it through a funnel, it's a little too thick. We like thick in other places, but not for the funnel cake right now, okay? We like some thick thighs, yes we do, in other places, but right now, I ain't said nothing, okay? I did not say nothing. But see, we're gonna mix this, and I got this from my parents-in-law. It is from Amazon. It's like a pancake dispenser, but it can also be a funnel cake dispenser. So I'm gonna link everything that I'm using, okay? So I'm gonna pour that in, and by the way, everything I link from Amazon is an affiliate link. So if you wanna hook your girl up with a few cents here and there, shop my Amazon links. So here we go. You guys, let's test it out and see if it's hot enough. So I'm gonna drop it like it's hot. Okay, it's almost ready. I'm gonna give it a minute or two, but that's how you test. You just do a little drop it, and you're good. So what we're looking for is we need it to sizzle a little more than that, you guys. So that's why I'm gonna let it heat up for a minute or two. All right, you guys, it's looking like it's ready. Are we ready, you guys? So funnel cake is all about being artistic, just releasing your artistic self. So just drop it and create art, okay? And it can't, like, there's no such thing as an ugly funnel cake, okay? The crazier you get, the better, friends. Oh my gosh, look at that butter. You guys, I was just talking smack earlier about the artistic. I mean, but seriously, you guys can do funnel cake art if you wanted. So yes, this is the heat that we want, you guys.
It's the biggest funnel cake I ever seen.
No, it's not. You know, we sharing this.
It's gonna be so good. I should just start talking in these cooking videos.
Yeah, why not?
Everyone knows I'm here filming for you.
Yeah, I mean, why not? And by the way, you guys follow me on Instagram, April Athena7. I'm about to do some IG stories here. You guys, it's ready to be flipped. I don't want to burn Justin or myself, so I'm doing a double. Oh my God, it's so beautiful, you guys. It's so beautiful. Look how gorgeous that is. So we're gonna just deep fry this for about like less than a minute. It cooks fast. One side is already cooked, so like the other side, it happens so quickly, you guys. So I got a napkin and placed it on a plate to kind of just absorb the oil, but who are we kidding? This is still gonna be deep fried no matter what, but it's nice to just absorb it. And then I'm gonna transfer it on another plate later for showing you guys the next steps. So honestly, you don't really even need to add cornstarch to thicken it up if you like it like this. But I want it a little thick because we did have that discussion on a little thick, okay? So we like it a little thick over here. So we're gonna just mix that really well. Actually, I suggest a whisk when you're mixing just to really get that cornstarch mixed in there. But yeah, this will thicken up really soon. All right, you guys, I cleaned my sifter. I'm gonna add a little bit of powdered sugar and we're gonna sift it. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, she's cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, do you guys feel like you're at a carnival? Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. You guys, next step, we are adding that strawberry sauce. Oh my goodness. I put it in a mason jar, by the way. Doesn't that just totally look official? Like, this is a great gift idea for Christmas. Like, I made you strawberry sauce. So yeah, here we go. Oh, she thick. Or, oh no, my presentation. I'm gonna have to wipe that off, you guys, real quick. But this is what it's looking like. Let me go wipe that off. because it's bugging me. Like for the picture, you know, click on that thumbnail. Would you click on this thumbnail with that all messy over there? You know what? I could just probably do it on the side like this and you guys would never see it. Oh, you know what? I just cheated. This is not optional. I'm just telling you, you gotta add ice cream. It's not optional. Unless you have a dairy, you know, lactose intolerance. But then we had milk in this. Okay, so just take whatever you gotta take. You know that pill you take when you're lactose intolerant? Because I'm lactose intolerant. But not with ice cream. So here we go. So yeah, we added our ice cream. There you go, you guys. And now, I feel like one is not enough. How about you, baby?
We need another
scoop. You guys, Justin is not ready. He's not ready. Just kidding.
Come on, let me at it.
Okay, taste tester time.
There we go. Oh my God,
you get only one ice cream scoop, and I get the other.
How about you can have 1.5 ice cream scoops?
Okay, because
I know you
like. No, we got so many in the mixer. Oh, there's his ice roll, and he.
Oh my God, this is better than Carnival.
Hot diggity.
Oh my gosh.
This is slap your mama good. Oh. Slap your sister good.
The strawberries
taste.
It's
not slapping.
The strawberries taste like way fresher than the strawberries at the. I feel like they just used the one in the can or something. This is fresh, tastes amazing. The consistency of the funnel cake is actually like better than the Carnival. I feel like it's like really.
It's less burnt.
It's totally less burnt.
Because I feel like sometimes at the Carnival, they're so busy that sometimes they burn it. This is so bomb, you guys. And the strawberries were frozen.
Still
but
though.
They're still bomb.
Yeah, I don't know. Somehow it tastes maybe, I don't know, maybe the one in the, you know what it is? I think the one in the jar just tastes like way too sweet. It's like, you know what I mean? Like with preservatives and stuff.
Yeah, but if you don't have time for this, do the jar, but I'm gonna just continue eating.
This is so good, you guys. This is like, you know, if you're dating a carny, what?
What the hell is that?
A carny is like someone who works at a carnival.
Oh.
I'm just saying that they'll be impressed by making homemade fun. Sorry, that joke didn't land, guys.
That's a dad joke right there.
There's not. Come on, let me know in the comments if some of you guys appreciated that one. No, but this is really
try this.
Fantastic. You gotta try it.
Try it. It's so good, you guys.
And are you happy we're back? Like, so let us know in the comments. Recipe ideas because yeah, we need
that don't involve baking because your girl got a broken oven. Okay?
We're getting it fixed soon though.
We got a broke oven.
I need to stop. This is too good.
Yeah, but it's okay. I took 2 workout classes. Y'all know I work out hard to eat.
So
and this is what I was working for today. Anyways, you guys, if you missed us, I hope you know we have a vlog, April Justin TV, and sorry, I'm trying to chew and talk, and also April Athena 7. Those are my other channels. Please subscribe and we'll see you guys next time. Bye! It's been a while. I'm like, hey, camera time. Hey, let's make some funnel cake and then eat it. Fix that funnel cake and then eat it. Make that funnel cake and then eat it.